Can you believe that I just spent 560 euros on a bottle of Jaegermeister? On a single bottle, that's $600. And what's so special? What's so special about it? Well, we will find out very soon. Look, this is like this wooden box. And inside, we got a bottle like this. It's basically the same bottle as the normal Jägermeister. The only difference, here we have a like clear white bottle and here it's a green bottle. So like already the presentation is nothing very special. I'm a bit disappointed to spend this amount of money and to get like a simple bottle like this, even with a screw tab. You know, I'm expecting a bit more. I'm expecting a bit more drama. Let me show you the bottle. It's 9,565 nights of exploration. Wait, like this. And that's it. It's very clean. I've got this bottle number, only 2,500 bottles in total. And yeah, that's it. I have a few like marketing informations on the wooden box, but nothing special. Nothing worth reading to you. But the most important part, well, we already are a bit disappointed when it comes to the bottle. How about you? Do you expect a bit more when you spend that amount on bottle, or do you just don't care? It's all about the taste. I always say for me it's all about the taste, but still, when I'm paying that much, I really want something that I'm able to put in the shelf, you know? So yeah, but still, the taste-wise, it's much more important. I agree. But you know, I always like to compare something directly to the original. So I've got a bottle of the normal Jägermeister on the side to find out the difference. And yeah, this is like literally, what is it? Like 40 times the price? Like $600, can you believe it? I bought it at the airport in Vienna. So you can really smell like the classic Jägermeister DNA, but it's a bit different, but you know, it's not getting me all excited. So if you could give me this in a blind tasting, I would be like, yeah, you know, like it's like a new Jägermeister product or something. Oops. Yeah, what can I say? Yeah, well, it's so bad. Can't believe it. Is it different? Yes. Is it better? I can't say so. It's like, I don't know. It's maybe even a bit sweeter, and it's like, yeah, a bit warmer taste-wise. This one is a bit fresher, you know? But that's it. And the difference is, what they claim, they aged it for 26 years in a cask. But the thing is, I don't know if you know this, but like the classic Jägermeister, it's aged in a cask as well. It's just for 1 year in a very big cask. It's not the whole product, it's basically just the herbal extract, like the essence. They age this in like 12,000 liter casks. They are huge. And here we have this herbal extract was aged for 26 years, not even the finished product itself. And to ask this amount of money for something where such a small portion out of the whole bottle was aged for 26 years, it's just not reasonable. It's like, it's a disaster, literally. It's probably the worst amount I've ever spent on a bottle. And you know, I've got one of the biggest spirit selections on earth with like 10,000 of bottles. I've spent a lot of money on booze. I paid sometimes way too much. You know, I regretted sometimes when I bought a bottle of whiskey and I was like, oh, I just spent too much on this one. This was really not worth it. But still, you know, I can live with it. But in this case, this is like by far the worst investment I've made in this bottle of spirit ever. It's so bad. It's so bad. Can't believe it. You know, I mean, it's not even, I'm not even saying that the product tastes bad. You know, Jägermeister, the quality is quite all right, you know. It's like, you wouldn't believe, many people don't believe, is that it's what is written here, like erlesene 56 Kräuter. That means that It's like out of 56 spices and herbs, you know. It's a real stuff. There's no artificial flavor or anything in it. And so basically the product itself, it's quite a quality product. It's totally fair if you don't like it. If you say, you know, I really don't like the taste, I totally get it. I really do. But yeah, the quality is good. In this case, the quality is also good, but it's a herbal liquor. It's not even close to be worth of like $600. Not even close. Yeah. What about yourself? Do you care at all about this, or you just say like, yeah, whatever. As long as I like the taste, I don't care about how much I spend for the bottle, because for me it's always, for every dollar I spend, I expect more. So it's always about price value. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching and see you soon.